Hi photographers, welcome to Easy Camera Lessons. Today we're talking about the tiniest part of our photos, pixels, and in particularly the color in your pixels. The word pixel is a combination of two words, picture and element, and pixel is used to describe a tiny little section in your photo that makes up your overall image, kind of like a tapestry. When we zoom right in on our picture, which you can try at home with any photo, we can see these tiny little squares. So your monitor displays your photos with pixels arranged in rows and columns. It's very neat. It's not higgledy-piggledy everywhere. The pixels are so close together in our picture that they appear connected. Now don't tune out here, but have you ever seen this thing anywhere in your photo editing software? This dialog box is going to show you what the color of every pixel is. If we click on a single pixel in our image, we can see these values over here change to that pixel's value. The color of a pixel is determined by these numbers here. There is, in most of our pictures, 256 options of colors or shades of gray that each tiny pixel could be. The colors of your pixels are determined by these numbers here. They are the amounts of red, blue, or green present at that one pixel. And black is represented as 0. So what about, say, this pink here in the image? What number values make that up? See, as we change the color picker to a different pixel, the color values change here. If it's a grey shade with no other colors present, it will be represented as these three values being the same. So if you went in here and filled a heap of these pixels close to each other with a single color, when you zoom out, you'll see this line we made, all those particular pixels making an effect on your image. Can you think of a time when you might be changing the pixels in your image by doing something to your photo? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned and subscribe for tons of free new information from Easy Camera Lessons.